The shark with legs.
Why?
Oh dear God.
I need you to explain this to me, man. Supposed to be explained? What do you mean? I watch a lot of intelligent shows, like The Simpsons.
Under your skin. There are bugs under your skin. Dig them out.
I don't see a problem with that at all. So you're sorting Italians into this.